Hey creator, looking to supercharge your content strategy and go viral? Today I am going to show you how you can turn your long form video into short multiple videos with SEO friendly subtitles, descriptions and tags. Also, I'll share with you how I grew 20,000 subscribers in just a few days using movie clips short videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your video. First, just visit the link in the description box. Then sign in using your Facebook ID, email or Google account. After that, input the long video you want to break into shorts video. Opus Pro make it very easy for you. Just drag and drop your video into the timeline or input the video link from any social media platforms like Facebook. It supports video from almost every social media platform, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Also, it can handle videos from 20 languages. Whether it's a blog, movie review, or a tutorial video, Opus Pro processes all formats for you. Step 2. Choose your video settings. Once you have uploaded the video or provided the link, a preview screen will appear. Now, choose your video settings like video duration, subtitle styles, and many more. You can select from Opus Pro default templates or use a preset templates. When you are done, just click the Get Clips button. Step 3. Automatically generate multiple shorts video. Opus Pro can automatically detect the key moments in your long video and generate 10 to 15 short video from a single upload. Imagine the time you will save. No more manually scrubbing through footage to find out the best highlights. Remember, Opus Pro does not add subtitles. It creates SEO-friendly subtitles, description, and tags for each clips. It optimizes videos for your search engine, boosting your chances for going viral. Also, it even provides a viral potential score. Step 4. Post directly to social media. Once your clips are ready, you can either download your videos or export an XML file for use in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any other video editing software. Or skip the extra step to downloading and uploading. Opus Pro lets you directly upload your video to social media platform, whether it's in YouTube Shorts video, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos. It handles in all formats for you. My success story with Opus Pro. I gained over 20,000 subscribers in just a few days by using Opus Pro to create short video for my YouTube videos from movie clips. So there you have it. Opus Pro is not just a tool, it's your ticket to going viral faster and smarter. From generating multiple short video, creating SEO-friendly content, and posting directly to your social media platform, it's everything you need in one place. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.